Nail Soup Media. We specialize in websites, web communities, and internet products.
Hey everyone. Okay, so don't focus on this, but this is about how we're going to be creating on your front page. We're going to be creating something like this, where each item is going to be, one's going to be Matterport, one's going to show someone in a drone, one's going to show or someone using a drone, one's going to show, virtual staging and all these items, right? So it's going to be a lot like this. Not the flipping part, but different, photos for different categories that you can use. Another version is like this, where when you mouse over it, it'll go over all the different. It's basically what makes you stand out as far as Matterport and HDR photography and HD video and aerial and virtual staging. And all the stuff. We've got the content. We just got to put it together. So, we got the visual. We just got to put it together. So there's just things like, and then also on the page layouts, we're gonna when they click on the front page of those 6 images, it's going to take them to a page like this that has, detailing, real nice pages, not just a bunch of text. So it'll have photos, it'll have video, it'll have different elements that will talk to them about why it's important to have Matterport, why it's important to have virtual staging and HD photography or HDR photography or HD video and aerial, all that stuff. So the content I'm sending to you now, so you can review it, make sure that it's worded right for you, because everyone's different. You all are picky, and it's all good. I mean, get it the way you want it said, and make sure that it's right. And then next week we're going to be taking, if you're getting this, you're basically one of the first people to be a part of this, because I want to then sell it to everyone else. So I'm going to showcase it in all the sites. You guys are going to be able to have something that for free that no one's getting, and then so I really want it to be to where you guys are happy, and then we're going to see how things work, so we can get more production, because you want it to where your clients see what do you do, and what's nice about this, here's the thing. So some of you go, well, I don't want to give my recipe. It's okay. Because I have clients all over the country, and I have so many clients that are avoiding doing this kind of marketing. They don't do Matterport, they don't do virtual staging, they don't, and you may not get a seller, or you may not get a seller that wants virtual staging, but the fact that you have it, it's sort of like Nordstrom's. A long time ago, I worked at Nordstrom's back in college, and we used to sell the $9 Ked shoe and the $5,000 Andre Feaster, and by having that range, we sold a ton of shoes, because everyone they just felt like the only place to go is Nordstrom's, because of the selection of style, and then of course the pricing. So for you, if you show all this stuff, then you're not showing that you're lacking in anything. And then the other thing we're going to be doing is social media. We're going to show through on a nice page that shows how you can get this out on social media and make it to where things are more viral. Where on Zillow you'll get them more traffic. On Realtor.com you'll get them more traffic without having to pay for it, free. And that's some of the stuff that we do for some of you. If you're getting this, you let us know to email me and say, hey, am I part of the Zillow and Realtor.com SEO? If you get this, then you're going to get that package. So just if you don't have it, we're going to give it to you. Because what I want to do is in the next 30 to 60 days is have you all as testimonials for this kind of marketing, and so we can sell it. Okay? So you'll win, we'll win, and then all the new people thinking about it will have something that will be pretty powerful. Okay? Obviously not in your market. We don't do that. So that's why I picked you strategically. Okay, that should explain it. Thanks.